Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today, we are going to be doing a film screen protector install. The name of the product, ORZERO. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. You get 2 film screen protectors. That's super cool. In case you screw one up, you got another one to work with. But if you do the first one right, then eventually that film screen protector most likely will end up getting hairline scratches, so you'll need the second one. Case that I have on my OnePlus Open. The name of the company, Susie, where to purchase, Amazon. Both links for both products will be down below in the description area. Please go watch the review on this case. It's got that leather look and feel, but it's not real leather, or else it would be a little more expensive than $12.99. The other color choice is orange for $12.99. And yeah, I'm really digging this case. There's some really good grip to that pleather feel there, the matte texture on the sides. And what's really cool is you get a frame with a tempered glass screen protector built into that frame. Will the film work with that built-in screen protector? Yes, it will. I've reviewed other cases with built-in screen protectors when originally I had film on my OnePlus Open and I had no issues with the touch response, and we're going to test that out today. Would I recommend using a tempered glass screen protector on the display of your OnePlus Open along with a built-in tempered glass screen protector and frame? No, because it's going to push up on the frame and it's not going to set in place the way that it should, meaning the frame is not going to snap on and stay. That pressure of the inner tempered glass screen protector will push up on that frame and it'll just randomly fall off. So 2 tempered glass screen protectors, no. Film and built-in tempered glass screen protector, yes, thumbs up. So yeah, all the information down below in the description area. So let's get a good look at the information on this package.
So what you're going to get with these film screen protectors, because again, there's 2 of them in this box: whole transparency, full cover film, electrostatic absorption, responsive touch, and high definition clarity. Very nice. So let's go ahead and go back out here. And on the back, a lot of information. You can scan the QR code there and watch a video on how to install the film screen protector, but I'm going to do that for you here in this video. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the box.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is turn off my OnePlus Open, because it's just going to be much easier to get the film screen protector on without accidentally touching the display. It just gets messy that way. Do not remove the film screen protector out of this sleeve here until you're ready to use it, because this area here has some adhesive that you want to place over the top of your OnePlus Open display and press down onto that area. You want to rub that area down so your film screen protector stays in place. And you don't want to get any dust or lint on that area. All right, that looks great. There are a few little bubbles right in there. But I'm going to tell you right now, do not mess with those bubbles. They're going to come out themselves. Okay, by the end of the day today, for me, those bubbles will be gone. If not, they will come out throughout the night. So do not mess with the bubbles or you'll mess up your film screen protector. And now I need to turn my OnePlus Open on. Yeah, that looks nice. All right, we are back in business. That fingerprint reader is just perfect. Perfect. I love the fingerprint reader doubling up with the power button. That's what I would like to see on every smartphone. Anyway, let's test out the film screen protector as far as touch response. There's the app drawer. No issues there. Go into YouTube. No issues there. Over to my Google feed. No issues there. Nice. And now we want to take the frame with the built-in screen protector and put it over the top of my OnePlus Open. Snap the frame in place because we already have the back of the case on. Again, that's the Suzy pleather black case. All right. So let's go into the app drawer. No issues there. Or my Google feed. No issues there. No issues there. Into YouTube. Bam. Over to my videos. And there's the Suzy case video right there. Skip. And boom.
It's been a while since I brought in
Speakers are loud.
for my OnePlus Open. I actually brought in two over.
All right. I am digging it. So yes, you can sport a film screen protector on the OnePlus Open display and a built-in tempered glass screen protector attached to a frame with a case like this. And I have a few others. But a separate tempered glass screen protector on the display and then along with a built-in one, no. Because the pressure, again, is not going to allow the frame to sit in place, snap on the way it should. It's just not going to stay. It'll pop off. So there you go. That is nice. That is nice. I do have another case that I'm going to review that's going to have a frame without a built-in screen protector. So that is the purpose of bringing in the film. All right. And with that, any questions, please ask down below in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video like this. Peace. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.